Hey Orlando, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that's going to be showing you a few tips and tricks on how to grow your online presence. And you're probably sitting there wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I've found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing I want to talk about is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. All right, so you definitely need at least 1,500 words on your website page, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they look and crawl through content looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool, and it basically shows me that for your website, you're not ranking for any keywords. So I go over to your competition, which is LLC Jax. LLC Jax is your competition because when we type in spray foam installation Jacksonville, Florida, they're the first organic website. All right, therefore your competition. This is what their Keywords Everywhere came up with. Look at all these words they're ranking for. Spray foam installation Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 1, 90 searches a month. Installation Jacksonville, Florida, ranked 2, 90 searches. Spray foam installation Jacksonville, ranked number 1, 20, etc. So you can see all this volume are all people searching for the services you provide in your tailored area, and they could be getting directed towards Energy Seal's website just because he's ranked. All right. Second thing I want to talk about is how you get ranked in this map pack. I actually didn't see you on the first 2 pages of the map pack, but I did see that you have your own map pack here. So I went over to my little local citation finder, and it's by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. Costs you about $30-70 a month depending on your plan, but it comes up that you have 7 citation sources. If you want to be not just in the top 3, but be number 1, you need at least 200 of these bad boys, all right? And citation is anything with a NAP, name, address, or phone number. All right. I also want to just point out that you have a pretty good description. Just implement some of those keywords that are working for your competitors with that high search volume in there, and add some more pictures. All right. The third thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So what is this backlinks and link juice I'm talking about? Well, this link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. I emphasize relative because it's so important, and I'll give you an example. Let's say LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you because, let's be honest, you sling spray foam installations for a living, don't sling pizzas. All right, so this is my Ahrefs tool. It's about $170 a month, but it's very, very useful, especially if you want to do this on your own. And you come up, it shows me your referring domains, your backlinks, the drive of your website, the integrity of your website, and some more organic keywords. But you have 0 referring domains and 0 backlinks. I go over here to LLC Jax's, and they have 64 referring domains and 511 backlinks. Very beatable with time. All right. So I hope it really helps you out, and I'm able to just go back over the 3 things we talked about. And the first thing was content. So add a lot of content on your website and implement those keywords. Those keywords are the most important part about the content. Second thing was citations. If you want to be ranked number 1 and scale this map pack, get about 200 citations to beat your competition out by a landslide. And the third thing was backlinks and link juice. If you want to be an LLC Jax, you need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. All right. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.